Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back. Today we will solve worksheet of Science 2, lesson number 1, Heredity and Evolution. Write down today's date and name in your worksheet. Now let's see question number 1. Complete the following diagram. Read the question. That is evidences of evolution. There are 6 evidences of evolution which we have studied in lesson. Among them, write any 4. First one, morphological evidences. Morphological evidences means in animals, similarities like structure of mouth, position of eyes, etc. In plants, similarities in characters like leaf shape, leaf venation, etc. Second one, anatomical evidences. Anatomical evidences means similarities in structures of bones and bony joints in organs of each animals. Third one, paleontological evidences. Paleontological evidences means study of fossil. Fourth one, embryological evidences. Embryological evidences means similarities in embryo during initial stages of development of various vertebrates. Students, this question has come in board exam in March 2019. Now let's see question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, evolution means dash. We have studied evolution means gradual development. Write down gradual development. Second one, vestigial organ dash present in human body is proof of evolution. In human body, appendix is the vestigial organ which is proof of evolution. Write down appendix. Third one, study of dash is an important aspect of study of evolution. We have studied remnants and impression of organism remains preserved underground. They are called as fossils. Therefore, study of fossil is an important aspect of study of evolution. Write down fossils. Fourth one, the dash man evolved about 50,000 years ago. The Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago. Write down Cro-Magnon man. Fifth one, about 10,000 years ago, wise man started to practice dash. We have studied wise man started practicing agriculture 10,000 years ago. Write down agriculture. Sixth one, Darwin had published a book titled dash. Students, we have studied Darwin had published a book titled Origin of Species. Write down Origin of Species. Next, seventh one. Dash man can be considered as the example of wise man. Answer is Neanderthal man can be considered as the example of wise man. Next, eighth one. There is dash in RNA instead of thymine of DNA. Answer is uracil. So there is uracil in RNA instead of thymine of DNA. Next, ninth one. The code for each amino acids consists of 3 nucleotides called as dash. Answer is triplet codon. Write down triplet codon. Next, 10th one. Carbon dating method is developed by dash. Answer is Willard Libby. Write down Willard Libby. Now let's see match the columns. In column A, first one, Johann Gregor Mendel. In column B, options are A. Shapes of venation of leaf. Option B. Coccyx and wisdom tooth. Option C. Human hand and forelimb of cat. Option D. Mutational theory. Option E. Pioneer of modern genetics. Students, we have studied Johann Gregor Mendel is pioneer of modern genetics. So answer is option E, pioneer of modern genetics. Second one, Hugo de Rice. In 1901, Hugo de Rice understood the reason behind the sudden changes due to mutation. He invented mutational theory. So write down option D, mutational theory. Third one, anatomical evidences. Anatomical evidences means similarities in structure of bones, that is human hand and forelimb of cat. Write down option C, human hand and forelimb of cat. Fourth one, morphological evidences. It means similarities in structure of organs or position of organs in organism. Answer is option A, shape of venation of leaf. Fifth one, vestigial organs. Vestigial organs means useless or degenerated organs like coccyx and wisdom tooth. So answer is option B, coccyx and wisdom tooth. Write down option B, coccyx and wisdom tooth. Now let's see question number 4, correlationship between. First one, open circulatory system arthropods, thin cuticle and parapodia dash. Student, we have studied that thin cuticle and parapodia is present in Annelida. So answer is Annelida. Theory of natural selection, Charles Robert Darwin. Theory of inheritance of acquired characters dash. Student, we have studied theory of inheritance of acquired characters is discovered by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Write down Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Now let's see question number 5. Find the odd one out. First one, transcription, translation, translocation, mutation. Answer is mutation because transcription, translation and translocation are stages of protein synthesis and mutation cause change in structure of genes which results into various diseases. Write down mutation. Second one, bones of hands, structure of nostril, position of eyes, structure of ear pinna. Answer is bones of the hands because all others are example of morphological evidences in animals and bones of hands is an example of anatomical evidences. Next, third one, venation, shape of seeds, leaf of petiole, leaf shape. Answer is shape of seeds because all others are example of morphological evidences in plants. Fourth one, human hand, wing of cockroach, forelimb of cat, flipper of whale. Answer is wing of cockroach because all others are example of anatomical evidences and they are homologous organs. Now let's see question number 6. Choose the correct alternative and rewrite the correct answer. First one, transfer of information from molecule of DNA to mRNA is called dash process. Options are A, transcription, B, translation, C, translocation, D, mutation. Answer is option A, transcription. This is important question which has come in March 2020 in board exam. Next, second one, dash proves that except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as their genetic material. Option A, Oswald Avery. Option B, Colin MacLeod. Option C, Maclean McCarthy. Option D, all of these. Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy, Colin McLeod, all these three scientists have proved that DNA is genetic material. Therefore, answer is option D, all of these. Next, third one. Information about protein synthesis is stored in the dash. Option A, mitochondria. Option B, DNA. Option C, RNA. Option D, ribosomes. Answer is option B, DNA. Write down DNA. Fourth one. Dash brings in the coded message from the DNA. Option A, mRNA. Option B, rRNA. Option C, tRNA. Option D, ribosome. Answer is option A, mRNA. Write down mRNA. Fifth one. Mammals have evolved from dash. Option A, aves. Option B, reptiles. Option C, amphibians. Option D, fishes. Answer is option B, reptiles. Write down reptiles. Now let's see next question. Question number 7. True or false? Among that, first one. Information about protein synthesis is stored in the RNA. Answer is false because information about protein synthesis is stored in the DNA. Second one, amino acids are supplied by tRNA. Answer is true. Write down true. Next, third one. First living material has been formed in the ocean. Answer is true. Write down true. Fourth one. Appendix is useless to humans. Answer is true. Write down true. Next, fifth one. Geographical or reproductive isolation leads to speciation. Answer is true. Write down true. Sixth one. Mutation may cause the genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia. Answer is true. Write down true. Next, seventh one. Walter and Sutton is the pioneer of modern genetics. Answer is false. Student, we have studied Johann Gregor Mendel is the pioneer of modern genetics. Next, eighth one. Both the strands of DNA are useful in the process of protein synthesis. Answer is false. Only one of the two strands of DNA are used in the process of protein synthesis. Next, ninth one. The process of RNA synthesis is called translation. Answer is false because the process of RNA synthesis is called as transcription. Next, 10th one. About 10,000 years ago, wise men started to practice agriculture. Answer is true. Write down true. So students, we have completed the first worksheet of Science 2, lesson number 1, Heredity and Evolution. Complete your worksheet and keep it in file. The worksheet include extra questions of objective. Learn it as it is important for board exam. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.